Hello, and the address of Leetcode number 547, number of provinces. Papa use another UnionFind approach algorithm to solve a question way. Into my solve other UnionFind questions into share playlist ni ma you which media revision, right? Now I check it out. Into when many whiteboard drawing be but basically I will follow the same structure no me solve UnionFind question be may use the same structure so they be follow the same pattern and different kind of approaches for it, right? It's going to be the same thing. I think some solve at this point the be must solve two UnionFinds menkai but however I've solved need now follow the same pattern into sana way so it's UnionFind data structure, right? But basically in the question on my I think one of the UnionFind questions I'm solving and I normal say this joint we are very similar to um, non-connected. Basically, say we anyway connect here a one province. Say connection be the manager say province be anywhere. Now UnionFind so be establishes a connection with empty be boom, right. We say connection new moon now muntino. You were three provinces, right? Into basically in the Zana question right? So yes, into be implement UnionFind class from the UnionFind. Now for the initialize it UnionFind, right? Okay, into you better set up your parents and over here list range n, right? Now you have rank should be equal to 0 times n. It which means the size account, but we are really not going to use size. The you use particularly in this question, a count because you see count the number of provinces now. You be establishing it. A count equal to n because it's here and here what 3, right? 1, 2, 3. I don't know here what is here. But after UnionFind you will say we anyway a connecting T and a way anyway some connect it. Anytime you be merge it, but could be because a connecting you better want a free list name. Basically sign your baby. And since here be finding find no it takes in a variable I'm going to say x. Find the help here and find the root. And I initialize root and any index value near the same, right? Root and parent value are the same. But as we proceed, the root value changes. You merge it to a Ketwano or a any root value, right? But nice. Say x in your root and self dot you find a root no right with recursion. Okay, give you an return. Okay, this here you find we union x and a y. Okay, 80 we see ever find the root of x. The root of x equal to find x because you're finding x in the root, right? And the root of y should be equal to self dot find y. Okay, So root here the same yeah, and actually because side it means what the same set to that, right? So root is meaning the same. Okay. Okay, so rank of root x a less than rank of root y. Yeah. Then the next thing is smaller root near the become big root now. The parent of root x equal to root y. Else if rank of a less than rank of root x next thing I'm going to say parents of small one roots, which in this case I have y no about equal to x. Okay, after the else say ranks near the same you'd be my backup right in the between you choose your movie. Now after the you increase the rank of root y no 1 we are near here. See your major back right into yes and count. Okay, T my Mrs. Solve for her. Self. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Is this here? Everybody, I can say UnionFind establish UnionFind class number. Before that, you find a length of is connected. Okay. UnionFind and set up UnionFind class now. We're going to say UnionFind and right. Into this here and for row in length in range n because any length of n. And our question also I think says n by n into the same, right? And for call in range row plus 1 to n. The entire emphasis so you bet my range of an n biome, right? But Osha matrix na 1 to 1 1 to that. And you see a skip process and 70 now. You check BB once, but anything my say, you know. Okay. If is connected row and column then UF dot union you be union it right row and a column into we are near return UF dot counts. All right, basically say and you ever solve again things that was very similar to all the approaches now solve the down say me see BBI. So what's the UnionFind takes no argument. So I think say my message. Wait, what I say? It's connected, it's not defined. So it's connected. My message ed no so I say. So when I just type parents. So parents. So self no just say. See, you initialize ya near we were constant within the class. Until anytime you have a friend on I say we used to we say my trust self was oh share me trust self. So hopefully alright into no say and I solve provinces. And I think say we are faster. Right into anyways, say near solve no. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.